tonight at Hopuhopu for the mass vaxx event that we have going on here. So it's a rangatahi-led event. It's a movie night drive-through, so our whānau can just park up the spots that you see behind me, and then they get vaccinated in their cars, and then the movie starts, and then they provided some kai. So the main purpose of tonight is to get a lot of our rangatahi who are non-vaccinated vaccinated. That was the main priority, but to make it in a way that's fun and exciting for rangatahi to come here and to want to come here and get vaccinated. What made you fellas come over here tonight anyway?
Oh, my second one, so I can start travelling around up and down the coast.
Oh, gee, you want to go back to the coast, though?
Oh, I just want to go travelling today, apparently.
Kia ora,
We have a dog. Yeah,
oh, you have a kuri, so they brought their kuri as well? It's a little bit of a whānau affair. Kia ora, what's your name?
Jasmine.
And why are you here tonight, Jasmine?
Get my double dose.
Gee, ka pai. Are you the only one in your car that's so everyone's vaccinated, fully vaccinated now?
Now, yeah.
Tell your whānau to come down to Hopuhopu and watch this movie with us all.
So actually Moana came up with the idea to create a movie night, movie drive-through night. It's already something that's already been utilised in the past, but we thought we might give it a rangatahi twist. So that's where the idea, the concept came from, and we decided to run with it and pilot it here in Hopuhopu. Now we're looking at all the bigger cars, and some of them got a pretty mean setup, so we might as well go check it out, eh? Kia ora te whānau, kia ora, kia ora. So you fellas look like you got a pretty good setup here. You fellas look like you're experienced in the drive-in movies. Is that true?
It's not, this is our first time.
Oh, true. Well, you've done the research and you got the mean setup going on here. So what made you fellas come here tonight?
I think it's just the release of level 2 and then celebrating us being able to be out and about again and supporting the kaupapa.
We hope to roll out other movie drive-ins throughout the country, especially in places where rangatahi vaccination rates are low.